In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Canva Whiteboard. We'll go from opening a whiteboard to collaborating smoothly, building flowcharts with QuickFlow, and keeping your brainstorming organized and on time. Start on the Canva homepage and open a new whiteboard. You can either click Whiteboards directly or choose Create a Design and select Whiteboard. This opens an infinite zoomable and panable space, which simply means you can zoom in to focus on details and zoom out for the big picture. Then pan around to explore different areas as your board grows. Think of it like a digital wall where you can spread out ideas without running out of room. To add content, use the left-hand panel. Drop in sticky notes for quick ideas, shapes and lines to structure your thinking, and text for titles or labels. If you want to work faster, try the handy shortcuts. Tap S for a sticky note, T for text, C for a circle, or R for a rectangle. Stickies are great for brainstorms, while shapes and lines help you cluster themes and connect concepts. As you place elements, don't worry about being perfect on the first pass. You can always move things around. If you are working with others, click Share to invite teammates. You'll see their cursors moving in real time, which makes it easy to co-create, divide tasks, and watch ideas form together. Talk through changes as they happen, and let the visual updates guide the discussion. When you are mapping a process or planning a flowchart, use QuickFlow. Click a shape and you'll see small arrows appear around it. Click an arrow to instantly add a connected shape, building out a path step by step. This keeps your flow neat and consistent without manual alignment, so you can focus on the logic rather than layout. To personalize and tidy your board, use the Draw tool to sketch circles, underline key points, or add quick diagrams. Change the colors of sticky notes to group ideas by theme or priority. When elements belong together, select them and use the group feature so they move as one. This makes rearranging sections painless and prevents accidental misalignment. That's it for this walkthrough of Canva Whiteboard. Explore, collaborate, and iterate quickly, and thanks for watching.